So we're gonna put a hydrogen peroxide and soap in here, and then we're gonna add our yeast. We don't know what this is gonna do. First, we're gonna put a hydrogen peroxide and soap in. Then we're gonna put our yeast in.
Okay.
This time we put 10% hydrogen peroxide in. My theory is that it won't go any faster, it'll just go longer. In goes the first ingredient to the Krabby Patty. In goes the tasty ingredient to the Krabby Patty. Now we're adding 30%. And again, I have the same theory. Nope, that one's faster.
We'll walk them around.
I didn't put much green in it, but I still put a little bit of green. You can see cyan if you look closely right here. So this is the almighty, it's 40%. Now it might be brown because of how wacko I went with the colors.
It's alive!
And it's gray. But more importantly, it looks like a volcano.
It does look like a volcano.
I mean, it didn't explode yet, but still it looks like it's spewing out gray molten lava.
It is gold over there, though, isn't it? It seems to have a lot more volume this time, like it's bigger.
So now we're gonna have some fun. So we realized 3% gave us the best speed, so we decided to double that. Ooh!